Aloha, Benjamin on Maui here. Benjamin Finnerty with the 808 Real Estate Team. Just wanted to give you a breakdown of the recent month February real estate statistics here on Maui. When we look at single family homes, we see a pretty stabilized market. There are more listings, an increase in both listings in the month of February, but also overall we see more inventory on market, a lot more significantly actually. But that's okay because before there was a really low inventory, so now we have more houses for buyers to look at, so that evens things out quite a bit. Pending sales are down 11%, which is okay. It definitely is a slowdown in the market, but it's not like a huge drop, which is good. I was really happy to see that number. Closed sales down 22%. That's a bit bigger. Concerning, that means in November, December, there was less properties that went into escrow. I guess probably December, January, really. We'll see what happens next month. Days on market actually are very similar. Median sales price, however, is up the better part of 10%. So that number surprised me, to be quite honest. I was expecting that number to be down quite a bit. Last month, January, it was, I believe, at only 180, if I remember correctly. Average sales price I don't pay attention to because, you know, you sell a $35 million house on Maui, averages get way skewed. It is $1,888,000. I do like that 888 because that's high. Percent of list price received is almost 98%, 97.8%. So that's an interesting number as well. As for housing affordability, well, yeah, Maui's expensive. Let's just leave it at that. I already mentioned inventory of homes are up a bit, both months of supply and numbers. According to the month, we are at 7 months of inventory, whereas we were at 4 months last year. So leaning towards getting better for the buyers for sure. Condos, well, condos, however, they tell a different story. But if you've been paying attention to politics, you know that Maui's got a little bit of a thing right now dealing with apartment zone vacation rental condos, and that's 7,167 of them. So that's an issue. New listings, the numbers are down from a year ago, which is a fascinating occurrence, and I would say a good thing because people are holding on to their apartment zone vacation rental condos. They're not selling them. I think that suggests pending sales down 38.7%. That's a significant number. Closed sales down 23%. Big number, not crazy. Days on market from 71 a year ago to 132 this year. Me personally, I have 2 condos that were listed that are both coming off market this month because the prices were too low. So that's days on market is a real thing. Median sales price up 27.7%. I don't even know what to make of that number, I tell you. However, that is a big increase, and that's the median. That's the one in the middle. So that means that half of them were above 945 and half of them were below 945. Average sales price, same thing as houses. I don't pay attention because you sell one $8 million condo or $12 million condo, and that price gets skewed. It was 1,358 though. Percent of list price received 94.6%, so that is down a bit, similar to last month actually. Housing affordability, same thing, it's expensive here. Inventory, now this is where we get the most bonkers of numbers. 843 units for sale, and that is almost double the year before, 426. That is huge. A year ago, 5.5 months of inventory, so that meant we were actually pretty balanced, in this year it's 14.7 months. So if you want to buy a condo, it's a really good time to buy a condo on Maui. Other than that, you know, there's other statistics I could get into, but for the most part, I like to keep it just to the basics for single family home and condominium sales for these statistics, just because I think everybody gets what I just said. If we start getting deeper into other metrics, get a little confusing. So thank you so much. Appreciate you watching me. Aloha from the 808 Real Estate Team on Maui. See you next time.